What's up, gals and guys? It's Lizard here, and welcome back to my channel. Not me messing up my own intro. Guys, for today's video, we're gonna be doing a hair video. Recently, I filmed a hair video. I edited it and everything, but then my goofy self went ahead and deleted it. This is why I need updated software, updated equipment, because I'm tired of editing on my phone. I've had enough of it. I'm tired of accidentally deleting my videos or losing motivation to edit on the small screen because it's difficult and I'm a blind bat. But anyways, for today's video, I'm going to be doing my own box braids along with my best friend. She's getting hers done by her mother and I'm doing my own. So yeah, for the start, I don't have a blow dryer with me, so I'm just about to brush out my hair, which is really sad because the blow dryer will be noted, but since I'm going to be putting my hair in ponytails anyways, it doesn't really matter. Plus, as long as my hair is braidable, which it is in this state. Anyways, I'm going to be taking a big brush and just brushing out my hair. As you can see, it looks a little like stringy and curly because I had it in braids, or in 2 French braids, and then I took it out. I really filmed a whole video and then deleted it. Like, shame on me. Alright, this is gonna be difficult to record and there's no reason in recording this part, so I'm just about to brush out all of my hair and then get back to you guys when I'm done. So I just got done brushing it out. I wish I could blow dry it, but like I said, I don't have one here with me. I am so unprepared always. Like, I'm so last minute because my plans never go to plan. So then I have to make something up like last minute. And this is last minute. Hello, how you doing? But yeah, let's go downstairs and we're gonna start the braiding process. Hey guys, so I figured I'll go into detail a little bit on this video since this video isn't really a tutorial. So in this video, that's me sniffing the hair. For the hair, I use Queen Bee ombre hair. I'm not really sure what color it is, but I know that the hair is called Queen Bee. This was the pay for 3 1 free pack. So I guess you wouldn't really call these box braids because I didn't section or part off anything. I just grabbed pieces that were medium small. And it actually took me a while to start the braid and get a good grip, but after a while I got the hang of it. Before I started braiding with the hair, I would first go in with Blue Magic on my hair, on the root, and then I'll use like a gel or a wax on my hair so that I can actually get good grip of it and make sure that all the hair is in one section. Alright you guys, my braids are done now. I'm about to start getting ready for bed. It's about to be 6 a.m. These took a good 7-8 hours to do. And yeah, other than that, we're done here. I'm about to eat breakfast because, like I said, I'm starving. It's 6 a.m. It's 6 a.m. I need to use the bathroom really bad. I finally got a new bonnet. I got this big old white bonnet. So first when I got it, this was supposed to be a pink bonnet or a blue bonnet, and I ended up with this, a white one. Every time, it's never the same color. So yeah, I'm about to do that and then go to sleep, guys. Good morning, guys. I just boiled some water, so I'm about to boil the into my hairs, into my weave, so that it stays together and so that the braids are less stiff. So let's go. Her braids look bomb too. You guys, this junk took all night, but we're about to be looking cute for this party, even though I brung 2 clothes. I mean nothing. But it's 1:17. And the birthday party that we're going to is at 3. So I'm whispering because the baby's sleeping. But the party that we're going to is at 3. So we need to start getting ready. We're both about to take a shower. And we don't have to do our hair, so we're just gonna get dressed and then do our makeup. And then, yeah. See you guys after the shower. So we both just got out the shower. We're both dressed now and we're both doing our makeup now. And it's 2 o'clock, so we're both on track. I need to brush my teeth though. Should I brush my teeth before I do my makeup? I think so. Alright, we can brush our teeth together. I think I should start with some eyeliner. This under eye serum. It's John. Love it. I don't have an edge brush. Alright guys, so we're ready. We just got ready. Our fits, these are Kobe Bryant and Mamba jerseys, Lakers, and they're cute. This is hers, and yeah, we're like kind of, you know how we are. We always like semi-match. Like we always wearing the same thing, but
sometimes we don't even mean to.
Right. So. But yeah, guys. What are we about to do?
My head look big, huh?
What are we about to do?
Go to a party.
Oh, we're about to go to a party. And yes, we said. I know she just thought about that. All right, guys, see you guys at the party. This video is such a flop. I literally forgot to record at the party. I think. I don't even know. I didn't eat cake or anything. I didn't eat any food. I just ate some chips.
I ate cake.
She ate cake. And yeah, now I'm using some micellar water and the cotton pad, hers, to wipe off this dang makeup because we just got back like 30 minutes ago. And yeah, a whole freaking mess. Wait, no, it's been like an hour. Look, I'm wiping this off to wipe off the makeup, and then I'm going to wash my face.
Yeah, move my clean feet.
I don't really know what the heck we're doing. If I end it here, I end it here. But if not, then an outro will be later.
I literally be forgetting to record, but we literally did nothing else yesterday. We just ate. We played around. I mean, this is still something I should have recorded, but we played around. And we watched scary animations because, you know, it is October and we're not going to be doing much this October. So, yes. Anyways, guys, be true, be you. Go ahead with your best self. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. And let me know down below if you guys enjoyed this video. But anyways, bye everybody. Peace and love.